Before we write a single line of code, let's understand what Python actually is and why millions of people use it. Python is a general-purpose programming language. That means it wasn't built for just one thing. You can use it for almost anything. Data science, machine learning, web development, cybersecurity, automation, even embedded systems like Raspberry Pi, Python shows up everywhere. One of the biggest reasons people love Python is how clean it looks. No semicolons, no type declarations. You just write what you mean. This single line prints text to the screen. That's it. In some other languages, this takes 5 or 6 lines just to set up. It is also dynamically typed. That means Python figures out the type of your data on its own. You don't need to tell it, this is a number, this is text. It knows. To get started, head to python.org and download the installer for your operating system. The setup is straightforward. Once installed, open your terminal and type python --version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Quick recap. Python is general purpose. It works across industries and fields. Its syntax is clean and beginner friendly, and setup takes less than 5 minutes. Next chapter, we get into variables and data types, where everything actually begins.